Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Want to watch free movies and TV shows without paying a single rupee? Stay till the end because I'll also share a trick to unlock everything smoothly in 2026. Method 1. Watch on Android, iPhone. Let's start with mobile devices. 1. Open your browser, Chrome, Safari. 2. Go to the official PopcornFlix website. 3. Tap on any movie. 4. Hit play. 5. Simple as that. Method 2. Watch on FireStick. Now, let's move to FireStick, my favorite way. 1. Go to find right pointing arrow search. 2. Type Silk browser. 3. Install and open it. 4. Visit PopcornFlix website. 5. Start streaming. Method 3. Watch on PC, laptop. If you're using a laptop or PC, it's even easier. 1. Open any browser. 2. Search PopcornFlix official website. 3. Click and play instantly. Method 4. Watch on Smart TV. For smart TVs like Samsung, LG, or Android TV. 1. Use built-in browser. 2. Cast from your phone. Conclusion. So that's how I watch PopcornFlix on any device in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more FireStick and streaming tutorials. Comment below which device you're using. I reply to everyone.